Okay, today we're gonna sew the mask. So you cut 2 pair of them, and then firstly we're gonna sew the center. Okay, both center. Okay, and then also we are going to do the top stitch on the seam. Top stitched. So top stitch on the center seam, top stitch, and same here, top stitch. And then after this is gonna be inside, this is gonna be outside. So we're gonna attach like this. Then I'm gonna sew bottom and then top. And then we're gonna sew the top. So after this, we're gonna flip inside out. So inside out, like this. Okay. So I'm gonna do top stitch on the bottom and then top. At the same time, we also going to close the side like this. Okay, like this. And then when I do this, I'm going to put this strings. Okay. So I put the strings on the side. So both sides. So I'm gonna just top stitch all around. Okay, that's it. Finish. That's front and strings and the back, the inside. Okay, that's it. Finish.